welcome to all.
Welcome, friends. In our country, India, from ancient times, rishis have told us 8 methods of yogasanam and pranayama. Em Niyam Hasan, Pranayamam Pratyahar, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi. Friends, we can do the asanas of yoga and pranayama and cleanse the energy system of our body. We can keep our mind healthy and happy. And we can live our life very happily and peacefully. Friends, we can cure more than 40 diseases in our body through yoga, and that too permanently. Yoga and pranayama, that's a very different art. Through yoga, we can keep all the organs in a very energetic, strong, and also in a healthy way. Friends, our rishis never said anything like this. That is, yoga and pranayama are very useful for us. But behind all this, there is a deep secret hidden. We are going to, through India's #1 organization, to teach this everybody. Do you know what you're going to learn through this? Yoga, pranayama, and many arts. That is, you can learn about Kama Sutra also. If I have to say something more, you are going to learn some wonderful art forms here.
Friends, this fictional love story which we are going to see is a combination of yoga and the art of lovemaking. In this story, we are going to teach our viewers very much in detail the real gift of God, which is yoga and the art of lovemaking. In other words, just by the mere practice of yoga, we can get rid of serious terminal diseases, as a result of which even the most common people can practice yoga and keep themselves healthy and happy.
Hey, what are you thinking, Dimple?
Nothing.
Hey, tell me what you're thinking.
Nothing at all.
Even if you keep away, I know there is something. Tell me what it is.
I'll tell you what is in my mind. That incident is coming to my mind now.
Oh.
When you, me, and Chinky used to come to this place, all the three of us used to enjoy in this place. Nowadays, do you remember Chinky? You really don't remember her, Jay? Tell me the truth, Jay. You don't remember her at all? Tell me, Jay.
Yes, I'm also missing it. How can anyone miss it? Do you remember all that? She was very fond of you. She was mad about you. All through day and night, she used to always think of you only alone. But she never spoke to me about that.
Because she's a very shy person. What if you think it is all a joke? What I want to tell you is, but she has written a lot of things about you in her diary. After she passed away, I happened to read her personal diary. Jay, don't you miss Chinky nowadays? Tell me. Jay, look at me, please. What are you thinking about all the time? Stop your silence and start talking. You think you're a saint?
What I'm thinking now is, life is going to be very happy.
With whom? With me only. With who else? Jay is your brother-in-law, right? Yes, Jay is my brother-in-law. So sweet. Okay. Come on, let's go. Daddy will scold otherwise. We have given excuses, somehow cheated Daddy, and managed to come out. I told I'm going to see my friend. That too with a bodyguard. Look here, Chinky. Why don't you go away from here for some time, huh? Both of us need some privacy. Because we both are going to get married, right? First of all, you should understand all this.
She's already very intelligent. Do you know that she is learning how to love her husband? You're only a fool, idiot. You don't know about this? In this place, the bride will take the groom away.
Is it so?
Isn't it, Chinky?
Come, let's go home. Disciple of Babaji.
Come, let's go.
Hey dear, first of all, stop meeting Ajay like this every day. Why? Because your engagement is over, right? Why? Because after a few days you're going to get married, na? Now go and tell Ajay, ask him to come with his family and grab your hands and take you home happily. Now look here, dear. In a couple of days we can do all the arrangements. The wedding day is nearing, you know it, right? After which, Ajay, each and every moment he is going to be with you only. You know that very well, right? What say, Mr. and Mrs. Ajay?
Chinky.
And dear, both me and my friend together, from our very young days, we actually fought through our life. We both had a deep desire of becoming an actor and a director. For that, we struggled a lot. When we were real small kids, we used to meet each and every director and each and every producer, from this place to that place, from helter skelter. We used to run for a good opportunity. We used to ask each and everyone, "Hey sir, please make us an actor. Just give us one chance." But not even one person gave us a chance, dear. But then one fine day, one good person actually gave me a chance to become a good director. And it's because of that, I too became a director. And then Joshi became an assistant for me. He used to always call me as his mentor. I too always had a dream. Somehow I should make my friend a very good director. But as days went by, my dreams just remained as a dream. I couldn't help my friend become a director. You know why? Ajay was that time 7 years, I guess. That was the time when my friend Joshi expired. And just because he died, my dream just remained a dream. But one thing, dear, I just couldn't make my friend a director. But that doesn't mean I lost the purpose. Do you know what my inner conscience told me? I will make my friend's son, if not today, at least in future, a very big. I will make him a very famous actor. And as I promised, I made him an actor. Now that guy, this Ajay, has become a very big actor in the entire film industry. He is acting real big movies. He is a part of a lot of happening stage shows. Moreover, people are really amazed by the way he is working. Do you know about his real talent? He just gets it done in one take. My dear, your life with Ajay is going to be really very nice, dear. You'll be very happy. My blessings will be always there with you. Be very happy. And then one more thing. After you go from here, Chinky and myself will be left all alone here. Nowadays I'm troubled just because of one thing. You know what? Just by thinking of our Chinky. Whatever, I think everything is going to be fine. Even for our Chinky, I'll be happy if I get a groom like this. Carry on, dear. You go carry on. My only desire is you both should be happy. You don't have to worry about anything, okay? Go ahead, dear.
Daddy.
Be blessed, dear. Be blessed. God will definitely keep you very happy. Now you go, dear. You go and meet Chinky. She'll be very happy, okay? Okay, dear. Go and meet her. Go.
Chinky. Chinky. Hey, Chinky.
My daughter should be always
Where
happy
are
like
you?
this forever.
Hey, Chinky. I feel very, very happy today. Hey! Chinky? Look here. You're always with Daddy only, no? Then my house is like your house only, no? Huh? Then why are you looking so sad? Are you angry? Tell me. You don't like it? That I'm going to marry Jay? Tell me. Chinky, Chinky, Chinky. What happened to you now, huh? Why did you suddenly come here now? You're angry with me? Now listen. After I get married and leave this house, you must only take care of Daddy. Okay, na? You have to give him medicines and his food. All at the right time. You will give, no? And one more. You should take your medicines also regularly without fail. I'll leave from here, huh? Then who will take care of all these? Then, after I get married and go, you should come to my house often. Huh? You should come home twice or thrice every week. Then whatever you want, just give me a call. I'll come even during the night, okay? Understood? You're still angry with me, right? You won't talk with me, right? Just laugh, no? Daddy's disciple. Just laugh, no? Come on. You go and get married. Happy married life. Just pick up the phone and answer. Hello?
Tell me.
Why did you take so long to answer my call?
That is, to say the truth, darling, I just fell asleep.
Then first wake up and sit. You know what my daddy told me? In 2 or 3 days, you all have to come here and then take me with you.
Wow.
Hello, did you understand what I told you now?
I understood.
And this queen is waiting for you, okay? Hmm? One more thing. Hereafter, we can't meet outside, darling.
Huh?
Directly, we can meet on the stage.
Oh. I will start making all the arrangements now itself, Juliet.
Oh, Janu.
Darling,
Ah,
this wedding date for us, no? Isn't it too late?
why?
No, darling. If it is 7 days, you know how many hours are there, isn't it?
Hmm?
What I'm thinking is, if I come tomorrow morning, we can speak directly itself.
Ah, we still have 1 more week to go to get married happily, my darling.
Bye. Mwah. I'm getting married.
Chinky?
Dimple? Yesterday was your first night, right? You know even these things, Chinky, my cutie pie. I know. I know everything. Then I have read novels and many books. Also, I have watched in TV. And then there was a movie. What is that? When I entered this room, you were humming a song, right? It's from that film. I have watched it. In that movie, the heroine and her husband. Hey, Dimple. Yesterday, did my brother-in-law did give lot of trouble to you? Look here, Chinky. I can't explain about all these things to you, my dear. Understand? You'll get married, no? At that time, I will ask you this question. Dimple, how will I get married? Everybody calls me a mad girl. You tell me. Who will marry me? Tell me. You tell me. Tell me who is going to marry me? Dimple, both of us are twins. But you have taken away my brain also with you. That's why I don't have any brain. You are married now. Then this house also belongs to you. But for me, nothing is left out. At least I will stay with both of you itself. I can't stay alone.
What, sweethearts?
Hi, Daddy.
Both of you are laughing a lot.
Daddy?
Both of you are going to exchange your pleasantries the same way or what? For this poor father of yours, do you have any love left or what?
Daddy, let Chinky stay with us here afterwards.
Okay, dear. In that case, Chinky is going to stay with you guys or what? Dad, you had your food or what? Dad, you had your tea or what? Dad, did you drink your water or what? Dad, why did you do that? Dad, why did you do this? You've got diabetes, but you're having sweet. You should not do this. You should not do that. Dad, do like this. Dad, do like that. Each and every time, Dad, 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 Dad. My dears, tomorrow who's going to call me like this? Who's going to say all this to me? Who's going to call me dad from tomorrow? Way back, you were a small kid like this. Leaving you both with me, your mom had gone to the abode of God.
Mommy.
whoever used to meet me used to tell me to get married for the second time. But I didn't get married for the second time. Do you know the reason why? Why? Because always in my mind there was always a fear. I was very afraid, dear. Just in case you get a stepmother. Which means if I get a new wife, I'm not sure if she would love you guys like I do. I wouldn't know how she would take care of you also. I'll be going for my acting. Or else I'll be going for my direction. After I go out, if my daughters are getting tortured, a fear was always lingering in my mind, dear. And just for that, I took a decision. Whatever happens in my life, never ever I'll get married again. Whoever says whatever they say, my dears, this way my time has passed. My daughters, who were really very small, have grown into very big girls today. Have become very big girls. And today, both my dear girls have grown up to my shoulder level. Look here, my dear. Can I tell you something? Just believe what I'm saying. Dear, you are getting married. And after some more time, Chinky will also get married. Just remember one thing. Both of you are just like my two eyes. After your marriage, it is like I've lost one of my eyes. It's like it has gone far away from me. But in my mind, there is a fear still lingering on. What if I lose my second eyesight also? What if I lose the sight of my second eye also? I'll become a pure blind man, dear. Without the love of you two, I'll become a blind man, dear. I'll become a blind man. Dear, when I see both your love, I really feel fulfilled. Seriously, I feel very happy now. Actually, when you were really small kids, na? Then I used to go to the market, na? Then I used to buy for both of you just one item. But that thing both of you used to share equally among yourselves. Even if it is a toy you used to play together. But just one thing. Both of you actually should not share Ajay like that. I just was joking, dear. Okay, dears. I will always be there with both of you.
Really, Daddy?
Oh, yes, dear.
Always, is it? Daddy, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Hey!
Far, wherever you are. Daddy?
Huh?
All that you have done for me so far, nobody would have ever done for me like this. That is, I'm not even your own son. My father considered you as a mentor. Then his dream was always to see me as an actor after I grew up. Also become a great director. I should also earn a lot of fame like you and become a famous person. But today, through all your blessings, I have got all that I wanted to. You are not only my father, you are like a god to me. And then I have a boon to ask my God today.
What, dear?
Listen to me, Daddy. What I'm thinking right now is I feel you should also stay with us. All of us can live in the same house together. Please, Daddy. Please. Please.
Okay, dear.
Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. My heart will go on. Every night in my dreams, I see you. I feel you. That is how I know you go on.
किससे कहूँ कैसे कहूँ सारे फसाने को, किससे कहूँ कैसे कहूँ सारे फसाने को। अब तो मैं गाने लगा प्यार के तराने को, अब तो मैं गाने लगा प्यार के तराने को।
मैंने तो छेड़ा है मेरे दिल की तार को।
you know what happened the other day?
What happened?
I told Chinky, don't go that side, you will slip and fall. But she did not.
Daddy? What happened to you? Why is he looking like this?
What happened? What happened to him?
Come, let's see. What happened, Daddy? Have you... are you drunk, Daddy? Daddy?
Daddy?
For 2 years... For 2 years you didn't drink at all, Daddy. But today... But today, why did you do this? Why did you do like this, Daddy? Daddy, doctor has told you not to drink, isn't it? Huh? You have diabetes, Daddy. Sugar level is also very high. But you... today, you have... what happened to you, Daddy? Tell me. Huh? Why did you drink today, Daddy? Please tell me.
Yeah, tell me.
Tell me.
Well, first, you take your seat. Me. Actually, today I drank and came. Yeah, I am really drunk. Today I was talking with my old friends and talking. What did you say? I was sitting and talking with my old friends. That time my friend said, just have one peg.
One pig?
One pig?
I drank just because they compelled. That is all. That time my friend Peter asked me.
Peter?
Peter, do you want to know what he asked me? He asked me, how are your 2 daughters? For that I said, they are nice only. After that, you know what he asked? What is the common husband of both your daughters doing?
Daddy! Why is he talking like
The
this?
common husband. He actually belittled me a lot. He insulted me a lot. You know what he said again? You are not a father only. He called me a broker. You bargained and sold both your daughters. He called me a broker. He called me a broker. Both your daughters are sleeping with one man. That's what he said. But what is the fact? Only we in the family know. But the society is very bad, dear. They are all looking from a very wrong angle. Each and everyone is talking behind my back. Hey, look there. There goes our old man. He is a broker for both his daughters. He has sold both his daughters for a price. He has sold them. Both his daughters are sharing a same husband.
But Dad, all those things...
That's right, dear. If I'm getting insulted, what do I do? Everybody has insulted me a lot. Today, nobody is looking at me as an actor or a director. Everybody considers me as my daughter's broker.
No!
This ridiculous world around us has made an artist like me into a broker, into a full-fledged broker. A broker. After all, I'm just a broker. What do I do, my dears? What do I do?
No.
I cannot tolerate the words that they were talking about me. I cannot tolerate. I have totally lost my control. I have lost it. I am not able to look at anybody straight in the eye. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot. Just dear. Just look here, dear. It is just because of this I drank like this. If possible, just pardon me, dear.
No, Daddy.
Look here, Daddy.
Just forgive me, dear. He has insulted me, dear. He insulted me, dear. I feel too belittled. He made me feel too cheap.
No.
You are not a father to them. You are just a bloody broker. You are just a broker to both your daughters. He said I sold my daughters.
No.
He said both my daughters are sleeping with the same man.
No.
He spoke too low of me, dear. Everybody's talking behind me. You know what they said? You know what they said? Both your daughters are enjoying the same man.
Daddy, please forgive me. Forgive me, Daddy. I mean, Daddy, please forgive me, Daddy. Daddy, here afterwards, nobody will call you like that, Daddy. Nobody will say that both your daughters are living with the same man, Daddy. Nobody will say that. From now on, you have only one daughter. She has only one husband. You have one son-in-law. Please forgive me, Daddy. Forgive me, Daddy. Forgive, please. Please forgive me. Daddy, Daddy, please forgive me. Please forgive me, Daddy. Forgive me, Daddy. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Chinky? Oh dear Chinky. Chinky? Open the door, dear. Chinku. Oh, Chinku. Oh, wake up, dear. Chinku, it's already morning, dear. Chinku. Oh, wake up, dear. Chinku. Oh, wake up, dear. Chinku. I think she's sleeping. Very tired, I guess. Okay, let her get up slowly. Chinku, don't sleep for too long, dear.
Chinky!
Oh dear, Chinky.
Chinky!
Get up, dear. Get up, dear. Open your eyes, dear. Just look here, Chinku. Just get up, dear. Just wake up, dear. Just wake up. Wake up, dear.
Chinky, what happened to you? No.
What happened to you,
Nothing has
dear?
happened to you.
Oh dear, just look. Why is Chinky not getting up? Ask her to get up.
Daddy, our Chinky has left us and gone away. She's gone. Our Chinky has left us and gone away.
Oh dear. Oh my dear. Oh my dear little girl. Why have you done like this? What do I do now? What do I do? Now what will I do in life now? What will I do? Hey, Ajay, make your second wife, ma'am. Both of you should not, in fact, share Ajay like this. Oh, my dear.
Wake up, my dear. Wake up. Chinky. Daddy asked Chinky to wake up.
Wake up, Chinky. Daddy, ask Chinky to wake up, Daddy. Dimple, ask Chinky to wake up, Dimple.
Daddy, what happened to Chinky, Daddy? Ask her to get up. Wake up, Chinky. Wake up.
Oh, my dear. Our Chinky has left us alone.
जब से जवानी बदलाई
Okay, Jay. I'm going to the market. Do you want something from there?
No. We finalized a list yesterday, right? Bring that alone.
Okay.
Okay, dear. Shall I leave? Bye, dear.
Bye.
Huh.
Come soon.
Okay, bye.
Bye. What to do now? Let's watch TV.
ए बिच्छी मुहे चाप दिल रात करिया बिच्छी
एक किस्सी बस के पहिया मारे तुझने किस्सी
Hey, Dimple, what is this? How did you come so soon? You told me that you're going for shopping.
I mean, you know my friend, no? She didn't come today. That's why I came back. I'm feeling very tired today. It's been a long time since we had fun, right? Then we haven't been romancing. I will go now and come back quickly. I'll bring 2 pigs.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh.
फसाने को किससे कहूँ
Jay? Jay? Wake up! What's all this? Huh? Did you have some drinks?
You only mixed the drinks and offered it to me, na?
What? Did I offer it to you?
Did you forget it or what? You brought it here. We both had it together. After that, we both danced salsa.
Salsa?
Finally, we had romance.
We danced,
also.
we romanced. What are you blabbering now? I think you've lost all your senses. And then, how did you do all this? I was away for a short while. But by then... Jay! What have you done? Look here, Jay. If I come to know that you're
What?
drinking again, I will not talk to you here afterwards. Understood? I don't know what I will do. I just don't like anybody who drinks like this. Do you understand?
I understand all those, but I did not understand one thing. She only danced salsa.
Did I do all these things? What are you saying? Oh God, what happened to him? This guy. Shit.
Hey, I have to say something about my father-in-law. Listen, my father-in-law was directing a Gujarati film long back. There was one spot boy called Chandrakumar. He had a small problem in his hair. Some people had problem in their eyes. He had in his ears. He was a different kind of a person. Even if you call him loudly, he cannot hear at all. Very difficult person. Sometime back, my father-in-law told that guy, told him Gujarati, okay? We have to do an item song. So asked him to bring all the drinks bottle. For the liquor bottles, in Gujarati they say as batla. But what my father-in-law told was, Chandrakumar, go there and bring the batlas. You know what Chandrakumar told for that? I understood that, sir. And left from there, traveled more than 2 kilometers. Instead of batla, he brought a buffalo there. Chandrakumar is that kind of person, yaar. Hey, listen, dude, you know what I want to say? Shall I tell you another story like this? I told you that I'm going to make a new short film, right? A director had come to Mumbai to work in that short film. Hey, no chance, dude. He spoke so well in Amchi, Mumbai. So well like Amitabh Bachchan. Exactly just like Amitabh Bachchan. Not just that, he knows Amitabh Bachchan well, he said. He said he also knows Shah Rukh Khan very well. Shah Rukh Khan will visit his fellow's house so oftenly, it seems. You know what I told for that? I didn't say it openly, but kept that dialogue in my mind. If Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan coming home to meet this fellow, then why did he come here now? Why should he come here and make short films? He says himself as a big director, done few films in small budget, then some 6 or 7 DVD films. Title card full of his name only. He will make me watch his films often. Again and again he will show the title only. My head will burst if I see the title itself. You know what the director will come and ask me afterwards? He will ask me how was the film. I will tell him that the film has the credits. He will immediately ask what the credit is. I will say it's audience credit. Rest of them is always your credit. He is that kind of a director. What can I say about such directors? Tell me. No, I will say something about the director and the actor. The current short film that we are shooting. One day at the shooting floor, a guy called Krishnamurthy. That Krishnamurthy brought a guy saying he's a director. Said he's going to do a new film. After hearing that, the heroine went straight to his room. They sat there, they sat here, they kept on speaking something. They kept talking till night. Seeing that, my cameraman got tensed. For that the director asked, "Cameraman, are you tensed? I'm discussing about the film to the heroine. It's already 3 a.m. But there was no sign of them coming out the room." Alright, dude. I hope you understand everything I said. There's a lot of problem in shooting a film. Remember all those words I said, okay? Understood? Bye bye. Tata. See you.
Jai, Jai, Jai. Jai, can we have some fun today?
Why?
Why means what? You only told me, no? Last night?
I said what?
What do you want me to tell you?
Tell me what I told you.
You said we can have fun. Go for an outing.
That nowadays I'm forgetting everything. Okay, we go for an outing. But where to go?
Where can we go?
Let's do one thing. Shall we go for the seaside resort? If we go there, there will be a vast sea. We can kiss, we can hug, and we can have all the fun.
But there will be many people in that place, no? We'll enjoy at home itself. That'll be nice, no?
Then we can finish everything here itself. Really? Shall we start after 2 rounds of peg? Go, come back with 2 pegs. We'll start our enjoyment here itself.
So, we'll have
What?
the same drinks and have some fun?
No, I don't want the same thing you gave on the other day. If I drink that, I'm getting very confused.
What is confusing you?
I mean, you say something and go out, and no, you won't understand if I say. No, leave it aside. Shall we have some fun alone? Are you ready?
Okay.
Golmaal. Everything is Golmaal. Why is this Golmaal happening in this house alone? I don't understand. That too in the same day. I haven't seen you so hot on all these days. Nowadays you're becoming very hard and sweet. You're triggering me and going, saying you'll be back in 5 minutes and then you're gone. But before that 5 minutes is over, you're back to this house. And you are bringing new different things to me. If I asked you when you brought all these things, you are saying you itself don't know. Not only that, you're doing good romance also. You're only saving me a pack and then you come and ask me if I am drunk. I can't understand what is happening. What is happening to her suddenly? Some golmaal is happening, some golmaal is happening.
Jay, what happened? Did you drink again? Why? Why are you drinking like this?
Some golmaal is happening, some golmaal. You only saved a drink, no? Then why are you asking why am I drinking? What can I say? Golmaal happening. And do you remember? We went to the beach resort, right? We saw the
outing?
beach. We went
When
to
did we
the
go?
lighthouse. Then we went to the restaurant and had lot of fun together. We danced together. Why did you suddenly compel me to sing,
What is he
darling?
blabbering like this?
I started to sing a song for you.
Songs?
We were standing in the Titanic pose of a love mood, do you remember?
What?
Where are you going to
Hey,
remember all
what happened to him?
those things?
What's happening here? Why is he talking all this? Whenever I go out, he has started drinking and then he starts saying all these unnecessary things. What I feel now is he has a bigger problem. We have to talk to the Guruji immediately. Hello, Swamiji. I have to talk to you urgently. Swamiji, some mysterious things are happening in my house. Swamiji, what I mean is whenever I go out and come back, there are many things which are different in my house, Swamiji. He is having liquor and blabbering something. And then he's talking romantic things after that. What he says is, you only came with me, we went to the party, we had fun. Swamiji, I don't know what to do now. You must only help me. He is blabbering more than compared to what he did last time. But we did not go out the way he is saying, Swamiji. Okay, Swamiji. Okay. Okay, Swamiji. In another 15 minutes. Okay, Swamiji. I'll call you in next 15 minutes. Cha. Cha.
You only give me drinks and asking me
What to
why
do now?
I'm drinking. Golmaal, some golmaal is happening.
I don't know
here.
what to do now.
Something is happening in this house.
Shoo.
He's forgetting all the dance and romance we did. Asking me why I was drinking all the time. Asking me why I'm drinking. I didn't drink. I was drinking with her. I was not alone. I was drinking with her.
Hello, Swamiji? It's me. I called you a little while back, no? Yes. Chinky? My sister, Chinky? What? Swamiji, please do something.
Om Kali. Om Kali, Rudra Kali, Mahakali, Mahakali. You better leave that family and get out of the house, I say. Om Kali, Rudra Kali, Bhadra Kali. Leave this place. Swaha. Leave at once. Jai Kali.
Dimple, we have crossed a very difficult time in our life, no? Somehow, we managed to cross that phase through Babaji's blessings. And also, her soul is at peace now. Otherwise, so many bad things could have happened. That is, this golmaal would have continued to happen. You yourself saved drink for me. And after some time, you only ask yourself why I'm drunk. And then...
Enough. Everything is over, no? From now on, let's forget all those things. Shit.
Finally, she got what she wanted. But till the end, she did not tell me that at all.
Jay, I mean, shit. If I had known all these things before, I had no idea Chinky loved you so much. If I had known, I wouldn't have got married to you. Definitely, I wouldn't have.
Dimple, don't worry about the past. Who can change the fate, tell me? She had such a desire in her mind. You remember what the doctor said? He said she is dull-headed. But she was more intelligent than all of us.
Let's forget all this. We'll go home now.
कहूँ